is really early in the morning. It's just before 7, and to be honest with you guys, I need my morning cup of coffee before I actually speak to you. I'm now 3 cups of coffees deep, I'm feeling a little bit more awake and it's starting to brighten up outside. So, let's go out and explore the unit. Well, that's if I don't need to go to the toilet first. Right, so we're going to do a tour of the yard, and at this moment we're at the very end. So, here's a tree and here is a building. Here's another one, and here is Canterbury, or well, where Canterbury Automotive used to be. And these are the guys that used to give us all of our old timing belts, the gears, the chains, and just a lot of random stuff. If you guys remember the bulletproof skateboard or the bike test, you might remember the guy that did it, and he works right here. So, and of course, this is our unit where we work, and it's looking as lovely as ever. And if you remember, Biotechnic, these were the guys that gave us all of them batteries, which is awesome. And if we come over here, here is the yard where we do all of our testing. Right, so I thought I'd start off with my favourite part of the unit, and that is my desk. I mean, if you take a look, I've got some random electronics over here, which are actually really cool. I've got even more random stuff over here, and I've got a half-built e-scooter under my desk. But that's not the point of this video. I want to show you the rest of this side of the office. And here is what this side of the office looks like. Right, Rob?
Yeah, what?
And here is the 3D printer that you guys are going to win. In my opinion, this is the most important place of the office. This is where we make our coffee, and that's what fuels us for the day. Now we're on the opposite side of the office, and here is where we do all of our postage and packaging. We'll box up the orders right here. And as I start to move around, you're going to notice this couch, and here we like to think with our eyes shut with a blanket over us. Is the best way to put it. Hey, Rob!
Yeah.
So, here is some awesome stuff.
Oh, the awesome stuff.
The awesome stuff.
So as you know, predominantly what we do obviously is research batteries. And to research batteries we have a lot of the kit right here. So there are battery development workstations, and they're different depending on what we want to look at. So in the corner there we have some equipment that simulates the environment a battery will live in, and we can run lots of tests on there for many hours, putting batteries in all kinds of conditions, including if they're in a drill, if they're in a car, if they're in an aeroplane. It's quite a complicated piece of kit, and we only use it for fully developed batteries. Oh, there also you'll find the cell level stuff where we're looking at things, how the electrochemistry runs. The quick test stuff is right there where we're just exploring ideas because basically we haven't got a clue, and that's what that stack is there. So most of that's to do with battery development, and of course we have our edit computer where we edit all the videos, and I'm just about to edit a video.
And here he is editing some videos. I'm going to be very quiet because I don't want to disturb him.
I'm always disturbed, mate.
And here is the dark place. If you walk in there, you'll never come out. No, I'm joking, that's our stock room. So, now we know what the upstairs office looks like, let's go downstairs. So here is the top end of our workshop, and as you can see, we're both working on some really awesome projects that you guys will definitely see soon. And all of our tools are arranged in a way that we actually have to put them back and we can't lose them, which is awesome. So let's go down to the bottom end of the workshop and take a look at the Twitch setup. So here is the bottom end of our workshop, and this is our point of view when we're Twitch streaming, and I can imagine it looks pretty weird. So, like I said, all of our tools are organised in such a way that we don't lose them, and I absolutely love working in this workshop for that reason. It just makes everything so easy. Right, now we've had a good look at this, let's go over to the chem store and take a look. So here is our beloved chem store, and I have to admit, I absolutely love this place. Everything's within arm's reach, and whatever type of experiment that we're working on, we have most likely got whatever we need in here. So, it's really difficult to choose my favourite place of the office, even though I said my desk is, because every part of the place has that own special quality to it, if that makes sense. This place specifically is a bit of a hidden beauty. So let me give you a pan shot of the entire place, and then we can actually wrap this up. And there we go, that brings us to the end of the tour. We started out outside in the yard, come in, took a look at the office area, come back down into the workshop, and then went into the chem store. And I really enjoyed that, but now it's starting to get a little bit dark outside, so it's time for me to go home. Whoa, look how dark it is. I mean, 7 o'clock and it's that dark. Wow. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and I'll see you in the next video.